In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect UTM campaign Facebook tracking to Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This is important because custom fields are created at the sub-account level, so you want to be working in the exact account where your Facebook leads and campaign data will be managed. Once you're in the right sub-account, click on Settings. You'll usually find this in the main navigation area. Inside Settings, look over to the left-hand side and click on Custom Fields. This is where you can create the fields needed to store your UTM values. Now click on Create Field. This opens the setup window for a new custom field. For the field type, choose single line. A single line text field works best here because UTM values like source, medium, and campaign names are typically short text strings that don't need a larger text box or a different field format. Next, select Add to Object. This step tells Gohighlevel which type of record this field should belong to. In most cases, you'll want these UTM values attached wherever you plan to store and reference contact level tracking information, so make sure you select the appropriate object based on your setup. After that, move to the field name section. Here, name the fields according to the UTM parameters you want to capture. For example, you can create fields called UTM as source, UTM medium, and UTM campaign. Keeping the names clean and consistent makes it much easier to map data correctly later and recognize each value at a glance. Then choose a folder name. This helps keep your custom fields organized, especially if you're creating several tracking fields. It's a good idea to place all of your UTM related fields in the same folder so they're easy to find in the future. Next, add a description. This may seem optional, but it's very helpful if multiple people work in the account or if you revisit the setup later. A short description explaining what the field stores can save time and reduce confusion. Once everything looks correct, click Create Custom to save the field. You'll repeat the same process for each UTM parameter you want to capture from Facebook campaigns. The key is to make sure each parameter has its own dedicated custom field, with clear naming and organized placement inside Gohighlevel. That's it. Once your custom fields are set up, you'll be ready to use them in your tracking workflow and keep your Facebook UTM data organized inside Gohighlevel.